Now, honestly, say what you will about these, say what you will, but these are the craziest shoes I have ever seen, and I love these so much. Let's review them together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, NEPHRITE. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the title, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review. Actually, okay, I guess I can't really say these are sneakers. These are more of a sandal. These are more of a slide, if you would say. But still, it still falls under the shoe category. So I am bringing you guys another review over a pair of shoes. And today we are going to be taking a look at the Yeezy Foam Runner in the Ochre colorway. And I'm really excited to bring you a review over these because this is a silhouette I've been wanting for a while. Not only that, but it's been a long time since I reviewed any type of Adidas or Yeezy footwear, and really it's just because it's not that I hate them, but it's just really because the colorways that they come out with, at least personally for me, they're kind of redundant. And with the price point being, you know how Yeezy does, being kind of high as is, I'm like, do I really want to go ahead and buy or pay this much money for the same product I'm kind of usually getting? However though, for this silhouette, personally for me, I see them everywhere. When I went down to SneakerCon Phoenix, I did go ahead and saw a ton of these, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these. So I'm really excited to go ahead and be showing you guys this, and without further ado, man, let's open up this box and get straight to it. Let's go. However, before we get straight into this review though, I gotta let you guys know, always thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys show the channel, you show me. As you know, the new goal right now, we're trying to hit that 2,000 subscriber goal, so I know that we can do it with the love and support that you guys show. And I mean, always, like always, I'm always grateful for you guys. Before I even go into the review, I always gotta stop the video and tell you guys I just really so much appreciate you. So let's go ahead and show love. Let's keep going, and let's go ahead and get that goal, man. Let's go ahead and get that 2K goal. I know we can do it. So disclaimer too, I know before I usually go into the shoe, I usually go ahead and put a headband on. This is an Adidas product, a Yeezy product, so I usually would put on, like, you know, a corresponding item that does go ahead and match the product. However, I don't have a headband because it's just been so long since I reviewed a Yeezy or Adidas product, so I'm not going to be able to go ahead and put a headband on, so I'm sorry about that. But with all that said, let's get straight into this review. Let's go. All right, so without further ado, we're about to go ahead and cut into this box. I did go ahead and pick these up over on Go, and as far as the foam runners go for this year, the Ochre colorway, these right here are probably the most, I guess you could say, I mean, these aren't really cheap really, but this is the cheapest one that you can get for the price that they're going for right now. So that's why I did go ahead and get these over on Go. Cool, and big shout out to Go, because I was able to go ahead and sell a couple pair of shoes. And the way it works over in Go, if you do sell some shoes and you don't want to go ahead and actually get a payout, you can get a credit, and you can actually apply that credit to the purchase of the item that you want to go ahead and get. So really cool for that. Let's go ahead and take out the, I guess you'd say, the packing tissue right here, this right here, and oh man. All right, let's go ahead and get the box out. And the box, from first glance, is very plain. You do have a size tag right there, but we're gonna get into that right now. Put that box over here. So boom, starting with the box, you do have a nice, it's all tan plain box. You have a size tag right there, size 11, and then you do have a UPC at the bottom. I want you guys to actually go ahead and see that. There we go, right there. Oh, what the? It's kind of been open already. Look at this. Hope you guys can see it. It's already open. So let me go ahead and actually pop the top off. And oh, okay. So looking at the, hold on, let's try that again. I did the wrong way. Let's try that again. So let's go ahead and open this up, and boom, right off the top, as you can see, it does say foam right there. And then looking kind of at the bottom of it, it does say runner. Let me go ahead and actually take everything out for you. So this is, like I said, I did go ahead and get this from GOAT. There's the GOAT sticker right there, and then we do have the GOAT verification. Boom. Let's go ahead and peel this back right here. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, yes, sir. Okay. Okay, here we go right now. Dude. These are cool. A whole, this is, bro, I swear, first glance, this is a Bionicle. Like, if you guys, do you guys remember Bionicles? This is a Bionicle right here. So let me go ahead and actually take out the other one that's wrapped in the tissue paper right there. These are so cool though. These are different. These are actually different. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead. I wanna take this paper out right here, and I do wanna show you, oh, so there's the instructions. Okay, so here is the kind of like the hang tag right there. And then if you look in the front, it does have runner right there. And then kind of how you would on like your normal Yeezy boxes, where the size description would be on the side of it. It's right there in the middle so you guys can see. I did go ahead and get an 11. It does say Yeezy Foam Runner size 11, made by Adidas. So that's really cool. Let me go ahead and actually put everything back up and then we'll go straight into it. All right, so boom. Here we go, right here. Here's the left, here is the right. Yo, so this is the ochre colorway for these Yeezy Foam Runners. These are cool, man. These are actually really cool. Shout out to my friend as well, because he did go ahead, and I'm gonna go into it right now. He actually put me on when it came to sizing. He told me that if you are in 11.5, which I normally am when it comes to my Yeezy, if you're a half size up, because these do come full size, go true to size, so go an 11. So if you're like a 12.5, go 12. If you are a 10.5, go 10. If you're a 9.5, go 9. Go that actual true size. And I'm glad I did, because before I even purchased these, he did have the white ones, and I did go ahead and try them on, and it fit perfectly. So I know that these are gonna fit perfect when I go ahead and show you guys the on feet as well. But let's go ahead and actually dive into the whole review. So looking at the back of it right here, the bottom, the outsole, as you can see, you kind of have like a wavy, kind of like a track pad right there. It's actually it's squishy too. It's squishy. And right there at the bottom, it does say Adidas, if you can see. Kind of looking at going up to the midsole, it has all your different like air holes right there. Dude, this is so cool. This looks like this looks like something that would come out of the ocean. This is where it's like they took this from like an oyster, or like a conch shell. Like remember from like SpongeBob, that magic conch shell episode? Like that's kind of feel like where the design came from. Looking at the back right here, it kind of has like your midsole kind of goes up, and it kind of has like a pretty cool like back heel. There's not too much I can say about this shoe, honestly. It's just more of like, it's really cool. It's really interesting to me. Looking at the right there, it's fire. These are nice, dude. Like I can't wait to actually get these on and show you guys on feet. It's really comfortable to the touch too. Looking inside of the shoe right there, it looks really nice. I'll tell you one thing though, even though I don't pick up a whole bunch of Yeezys like I did in the past, one thing about, man, Yeezy, they are not afraid to go outside of the creativity box, man. Like they really aren't. As you guys know, these retail price for $80. There was a ton of colorways that came out. We do have the white, we do have the red that actually I went to SneakerCon. You actually can check that video out, and I showed you. There's the blue one, and these are all going for astronomical prices. But in terms of like the cheapest one this year, these are currently like hovering about like that 200 flat price point. So I would say if you're interested in this, and I know it's a lot to pay for these, but if you don't want to go ahead and wait till they go to crazy prices, this is probably the best colorway that you can get right now for the price. Honestly, they're not bad. They're decent. I mean, comfortability is amazing on these. These are nice though, man. I like them. I definitely like them. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the Yeezy Foam Runner and the ochre colorway. Here is the right there, boom, and then here is the left. Right there. Like seriously, let me know. I know a whole bunch of people, it's like they have a love-hate relationship when it comes to these. I know a friend of mine, he does not like them at all. Chris, if you're watching this video, I'm talking about you. I know you do not like these at all, but I think they're different. They're different, and like I said, with Yeezy and Adidas kind of giving us the same stuff, at least for me, I personally feel they give us the same stuff. Being able to see something like this is really different. So Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about these. I'm gonna go ahead, break away to an on-feet review, but before I do, I'm gonna give you guys another overlook right now, so check them out right here. Yeah, I do think they're really interesting. I mean, look at the sides, look at the front, look at the back right there. I mean, like I said, Yeezy, when it comes to creativity, they're definitely not afraid to go outside of the box. Let me know what you think about them. I'm glad that in terms of, I guess you could say, price point, they're not going too much like the other colorways. Like, what was the other one? Like, you got the sand and you got the blue ones that are going for like $400, $500. I'm just like, dude, y'all are, it's too much. It is too much. But no, there they go right there. Let me know how you feel about them. I really would like to hear your opinions. Are these like the ugliest things you've ever seen? Or are these interesting to you? Do you want a pair? Let me know down below, because I would like to hear your guys' feedback, seriously. All right, guys, so this is gonna conclude today's video over the Yeezy Foam Runner in the Ochre colorway. Like I said, comment down below, let me know how you feel about these. I want to say this again before I cut over to the on-feet review. When it comes to sizing, because that was my biggest concernment when it came to these, people were like, because there's no half sizes, there's only full sizes. I recommend, listen, man, please understand this. I recommend, if you are a half size when it comes to Yeezys, for example, like for my Yeezy 350, my Zebras, I'm 11 and a half. I recommend, if you're 11 and a half, go an 11. If you're a 10 and a half, go 10. If you're at that half size, just go down. And these will fit perfectly. There's not gonna be any heel slippage. There's not gonna be, they will fit perfect, honestly. Honestly, I will go ahead and break away to an on-feet review right now so you guys can see. But I really do appreciate you guys so much for showing me so much love and support. Thank you guys so much for pulling up to the channel, pulling up and watching this video. I really do mean, it really does mean a lot to me. So like next time, always remember, there's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. I do love you guys so much. It's been your boy, it has been your kid, NEPHRITE. Until then, there will be a lot more heat. I promise you, there's a lot more stuff coming on the channel. Just be patient with me, and I promise you, you will see. You guys will see. So until next time, I love you guys, and I'll keep y'all in the next one. Peace.